Want to know how to share your location to only close friends in Instagram? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your Instagram application and just simply hit towards your DMs. So once you're there, right beside your note, you should be seeing map as well. So you can just simply select map first up. And now once you have selected map, here you should be seeing options where you can invite friends or see your map right here. So since we are not setting location, just simply select not setting location or just simply select settings on the top right side. And here you should be seeing various options. Now, you can just simply choose who can see your location. For now, since we are doing close friends, just simply select close friends right here. And you can just simply choose people as well. And once that is done, you can just simply add or enable or disable your friends from close friend list and select done, and then just simply share it as well. And that's it. Super simple and easy. This is how you share your location in Instagram. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.